This track transmission controller came to ERD from a construction customer and is used on a John Deere 550H bulldozer. We rebuilt this transmission controller, and as shown in the video, we fully tested this module before returning it to our customer. ERD has worked for decades on many devices used in John Deere construction machines, and we have been able to keep our customers building roads with their older equipment far longer than they were intended. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces of the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.